Hi, Math 3. So Monday's question says, in rectangle ABCD, the length of diagonal AC is represented by 3b plus 6, and the length of diagonal BD is represented by 4b minus 6. Solve for the length of AC. So the first thing we want to do when we're given a shape but no picture is to draw it. So we have a rectangle, and we have a rectangle A, B, C, and D. So when you have a rectangle, go around it in the correct order. And it says diagonal AC, so a diagonal from A to C, is represented by 3b plus 6. So I'm going to put that on the side. AC is 3b plus 6. And then we have diagonal BD, so our other diagonal, and BD is represented by 4b minus 6. What is the length of AC? And so what we need to know about rectangles specifically is their diagonals are congruent. Remember, congruent is a fancy math word for equal. And so since our diagonals are congruent, we can set them equal to each other. So if things are equal, set them equal to each other. 3b plus 6 equals 4b minus 6. And then we're just going to solve this like a normal equation. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to move my variables to the same side. So because it's a positive 3b, I'm going to subtract 3b from both sides. 3 minus 3 cancels out. We're going to drop down to 6. 4b minus 3b is 1b. And then we need to get rid of b minus 6. We just want this b by itself. So the opposite of a negative 6 is a positive 6. And I get that b is equal to 6 plus 6 is 12. Now, I know you want to stop there, but we can't because that's not what the question is asking us for. It says solve for the length of AC. So since AC is 3b plus 6, I have to take that 12 that b is equal to and plug it in. So I'm going to write this over here. Remember, guys, you're going to have to copy this whole problem down. So if you run out of room as well, just kind of draw like a little line, and you can split the two pieces in half. So we have 3 times b is 12, 3 times 12 plus 6. So 3 times 12 is 36, plus 6 is 42. So this would be your final answer. This is the length of AC.